Good evening, everyone. Today is the 17th of May, and here are some of the major headlines from the US markets to start your week. Cryptocurrency is still under pressure this morning following tweets from Tesla CEO Elon Musk that rattled the markets over the weekend. Bitcoin is down nearly 8% to about $45,000. Ethereum is off 9% to around $3,500 with earlier lows nearing $3,100. Dogecoin is down by 5.5% to about $0.59, having hit $0.45 earlier. To clarify speculation, Tesla has not sold any Bitcoin, Musk tweeted just before 2 a.m. Eastern Time. A Twitter war broke out over the weekend between Musk and Bitcoin fans, with Musk suggesting on Sunday that Tesla has already or intends to unload its $1.5 billion worth holdings in Bitcoin. The Tesla chief executive's mention of Dogecoin have left to buyers flocking to meme cryptocurrency that started as a joke, and he dubbed himself Dogefather in a promo tweet for his appearance on Saturday Night Live, which led to intense interest about how the coin would be worked into any sketches. He sent shockwaves through the crypto world last week when he said that Tesla would no longer be accepting Bitcoin as a payment because of his concerns about the amount of energy used in mining the coins. He later expressed his confidence saying, "I strongly believe in crypto." AT&T is in talks to combine its media business with Discovery. A transaction may be announced as early as this week, according to a Bloomberg report. The companies are still working on the structure of the deal and the details may change. The deal will likely combine Discovery with all of AT&T's Warner Media, which will become a new publicly traded company co-owned by AT&T and Discovery, according to a CNBC report. AT&T is expected to own a big stake in the new entity, and a transaction could come as soon as tomorrow, according to the Wall Street Journal. The companies are looking to combine Discovery's reality TV program with AT&T's media holdings, including HBO, TBS, TNT, and Warner Brothers Studio, to be more of a competitor to Netflix and Walt Disney. Discovery's networks include HGTV, Food Networks, TLC, and Animal Planet. Microsoft's board reportedly concluded in 2020 that Bill Gates need to step down from the company's board after looking into a romantic relationship Gates had with an employee 20 years before. Microsoft received a concern in the latter half of 2019 that Bill Gates sought to initiate an intimate relationship with a company employee in the year 2000, a Microsoft spokesman told the Wall Street Journal. A committee of board reviewed the concern, aided by an outside law firm, to conduct a thorough investigation. Throughout the investigation, Microsoft provided extensive support to the employee who raised the concern. Gates' spokeswoman acknowledged an affair almost 20 years ago that ended amicably, but said that Gates stepping down from the board had nothing to do with it. Investors will be eyeing several housing market indicators this week, with the real estate sector seeing some of the fastest price growth in more than a decade. The National Association of Home Builders Monthly Index will be published on Monday and is expected to hold steady at April's robust figure of 83. Building permits and housing starts figure released Tuesday are also forecasted to stay strong given the significant lift from the buyer's traffic, vaccination, stimulus check, and the spring season. It's not only in the US. Among the 37 OECD countries, real house prices climbed almost 7% between the fourth quarter of 2019 and the fourth quarter of 2020, marking the fastest year-on-year growth in the past 2 decades. It also didn't take long for a race for space to take hold as people were forced to transform their houses into offices and classrooms. Few other important headlines on companies. At Home's largest shareholder plans to vote against take private offer, according to the Wall Street Journal. Sarcos Robotics SPAC remained on target for Q3, says its CEO. New Technologies EPS misses by $0.02, beats on revenue. Google remains the standout megacap as I/O conference approaches. Rich banks got richer in the year of pandemic, forced Global 2000 shows. Today's world market updates. In Asia, Japan down by 0.92%, Hong Kong up by 0.47%, China up by 0.78%, and India up by 1.6%. In Europe at midday, London down by 0.36%, Paris down by 0.19%, and Frankfurt up by 0.01%. In the futures market, Dow down by 0.2%, S&P down by 0.19%, and Nasdaq down by 0.27%. Crude up by 0.3% to $65.55. Gold up by 0.7% at $1,851.10. Bitcoin down by 8.4% to 45,258. And 10-year treasury yield down by 1.3 basis points to 1.62%. Today's economic calendar includes at 8:30 a.m. Empire State Manufacturing Survey, at 10 a.m. NAHB Housing Market Index, at 10 a.m. again Fed's Bostic Economic Outlook, at 10:05 a.m. Fed's Cladaria speech, at 12:30 p.m. Fed's Bostic speech, at 4 p.m. Treasury International Capital, and at 6 p.m. Fed's Kaplan speech. That's all for today's updates. Sign up for a zero-fee account on Kompound to start globally investing today. It can help you diversify, hedge, and build a truly global portfolio which will give you high returns in the long term as the winner keeps rotating. Kompound has an easy onboarding process, no account minimums, and it allows you to invest in fractional stocks. Investors can choose from more than 3,500 US stocks, global companies, and worldwide ETFs. Join the official Telegram channel of Kompound to get daily US and global market updates. All the links in the description below. Thank you.